Hello. In this video, I will guide you through the process of connecting a custom domain name from Google Domain Names to your Systeme.io account. If you have already registered a custom domain name with Google, then this video is perfect for you. First, log into your Systeme.io account, which will take you to your dashboard. From there, you want to go to your profile icon in the top right-hand corner. Click on Settings and scroll down to Custom Domains. By default, you will only have one domain, which is your username, Systeme.io. We will add our custom domain from Google by clicking on the Add Domain button in the top right-hand corner and typing in the domain name that you want to connect. Once you have added the domain, the next step is to configure the DNS. Go to your Google Domains account, click on the domain that you have just typed in, and go to your DNS settings. Scroll down until you see Custom Records and click on Add New. Systeme.io gives us two records, both of which we need to add. The first record is a name that starts with W. Copy this and paste it on your Google Domains account. The second record includes everything before the dot of where your domain starts. Again, copy and paste this in the Google Domains account, save the settings, and you should be good to go. And then please note that it may take some time for the DNS records to fully propagate, which could take up to 24-48 hours. To check if everything is working properly, copy your domain name and paste it into a website donechecker.org. If everything is green, then you have done everything right. It's that simple.